This is probably going to be the quickest tutorial you'll ever see. And I thought of this tutorial because one time I was doing a hackathon with a really smart dev, but a bit inexperienced. He was a grad. And he said, okay, I'll make the API. I was like, okay, sweet, go ahead, do that. And about 2 hours later, I was like, oh, have you made any progress with that API? And he's like, oh, I'm just sort of setting it up. And I'm like, what do you mean? He's like, oh, well, I'm just sort of trying to figure out how to configure it and set it up. I'm like, just use the template. Use the Visual Studio template for an API. It's really that simple to create an API. You just need to go to Web App, API. Next, you can choose whether you want to have authentication or not. Name it. And boom, we have an API. So this API has a get here, and if I run the API, boom, there you have a basic HTTP GET API. If you want to add additional ones, you can use the HTTP methods as a C# attribute before the method, and it'll create that for you. It's really that easy.